Hello guys, this is Howdev. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a video on how to recover your deleted WhatsApp message. Firstly, you go to your settings. After clicking your settings, you go to your chats. After clicking chat, you go to chat backup. There, you're gonna see the date of your last backup. Then you check the last update, then you press backup. After pressing backup, you need to uninstall your WhatsApp. So after uninstalling your WhatsApp, you go to Play Store, then install a WhatsApp again. After installing it, you would need to verify your number. After you verify your number, you're gonna click restore when you are at the restore backup data. After clicking restore, then it will load and you must wait. It will load, and after loading, so after this, it will show you the restore button. Then you press restore. Don't skip restore, press restore so that it will restore all your messages. After loading and after finishing this process, then you will be shown your WhatsApp interface, whereby all of your messages will be restored. All of your messages will be restored. Thank you for watching. This is Howdev. Do like, comment, and subscribe for more information about how to use your device. Thank you. Bye.